Hello, my wonderful student. This is Miss Han again, and today we're going to use a program called Paint, and we're going to draw a picture that is going to be a picture about flowers in a field. And the first thing we want to do is we want to select the background color. So we're going to press this paint bucket here, and then we're going to choose the canvas and black. So now we want to choose the pencil, which means we're going to be using the brush. Okay, I'm going to choose probably this paintbrush here, and we're going to select a color, and we're going to start with making the grass. And here I'm going to select green. We'll be using brown as well and gold, but let's start with green. And the grass, it looks something like this. Some can be short, some can be long, and just moving along from left to right. And then we choose a different color. Here we can edit colors. We can choose a color that is a little darker brown. So here's my brown, and we're going to add it to our palette. Okay, press OK. So now our color is brown, and we add a little more grass. This one seems a little bit purple, but we'll go with it for now. Okay, and then we're going to choose a color that is kind of orange to represent grass that is a little bit, how about that one? To represent grass that have kind of died away. Okay, so here's another. I would like a little more green, so I'm going to choose some bright green. Okay. Oh, I like this bright green, kind of brings out the paper a little bit, picture a little bit more. So now that I have my grass, I want to do some flowers, and it's going to be white and yellow. And let's have we're going to have yellow inside, and I'm going to choose a white for the petals. And it's fairly easy and very relaxing because you're just making circles, right? And I'm going to do another flower, and it's going to be a little bit bigger and in a different area. So this one's going to be very, very big. So you want variety of sizes to make it interesting. And right now we're doing in the computer using Paint It, but you can also use your oil pastels, which would work really nice. And so I'm going to do another flower that is a little smaller in size over here. I'm going to try to put more petals in because I think it looks more interesting. So we have to kind of arrange it or organize in a way that you can add maybe 5 petals. So now I'm going to do a bigger flower, maybe over here. And this time I'm going to try to do 5 petals. We can erase it, and I'll teach you how to erase it later. And that's 5. So let's say I want to add, I want to kind of change just a little bit, this petal here. So we select the eraser, come around, and maybe erase, whoops. We're going to eraser, and we're going to maybe choose black instead because our background is black. If it's white, okay, that's not working out so well. What we can do then is just go back and paint that area black. And that will cover it up. I think the eraser will work if you had a white screen, but in our case we didn't. So we have to choose the brush again, this brush size, and let's add a few more flowers. one over here maybe. For some reason let's select our brush stroke again, making it bigger. There we go. So now we have the middle. Do some of the white. Now you don't have to do white. You can use a variety of colors. Some people want to do pink, or you can do pink or purple. So you just continue adding more flowers. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. After you do this, you can maybe use oil pastels and do an artwork that you can display. Alright, hope you had fun. See you in the next lesson.